In today's competitive and stressful housing market, you need every advantage to make homeownership a reality. That's where NACA, America's Best Mortgage, can help. I'm Melinda T., your mortgage mentor and former NACA mortgage counselor. That's right, I was a national NACA mortgage counselor for over 5 years, and I'm here to break down the top 8 reasons why getting approved through NACA could be the smartest move you make this year. Reason number one, no down payment. NACA is a conventional loan funded by Bank of America. Just like USDA and VA loans, it's 100% finance. That means you don't need to put any money down to close on your home. Reason number two, no closing costs. That's right, no closing costs. Now, did you know that banks don't have to charge closing fees? Their bank, they make money, right? But thanks to NACA's loan program, those fees are completely waived. This is going to save you thousands. Reason number three, no minimum credit score. Got a low score? No problem. NACA doesn't base approval on your credit scores. Instead, they focus on payment history. Even with recent collections under $2,000, you can still qualify for NACA. Now, if you have any old collections over 24 months, usually they aren't considered, unless, of course, it's federal debt. You have to pay the federal government. Reason number four, no mortgage insurance. This is a big deal. Most conventional loans, you must pay PMI, private mortgage insurance, unless you put down 20%. Who's putting down 20%, right? This insurance is required until you reach 20% equity in your home. So you still have to take this insurance out until you reach 20% equity in your home after making your payments. For FHA loans, it comes with a lifelong mortgage insurance premium. That's what they call MIP. You would have to pay that the whole time that you have that particular loan. Now, with NACA, like I said, zero mortgage insurance ever. You're not going to be charged any mortgage insurance. Number five, no appraisal or attorney's fees. I don't know if you knew this, but you have to pay for an appraisal if you use any other loan type. The bank is not going to pay for it, but with NACA, they will cover those costs. You can also get an approved attorney through the program. They also have settlement agents, and you do not have to pay any of those costs. Now, you have an option to pay for it on your own if you want to, but why would you want to, right? So that's another awesome perk. I call it NACA's coupons. It's awesome coupons that NACA offers. We've already gone over 5. Reason number 6, below market interest rates. NACA's interest rates are always below the market average. And you can even buy down your interest rate up to 1% off NACA's already low rate. So it's a wonderful, wonderful additional coupon. Reason number 7, no pre-approvals. NACA provides a full qualification. Forget flimsy bank pre-approvals that expire in 90 days. Now, this market is very, very difficult, as you know. So many people have to do pre-approvals over and over and over again. With NACA, you're fully approved for a mortgage you can afford, and your approval is good for 6 months. So you have to keep doing the back and forth. They vet your budget, not just your credit, to set you up for long-term success. Now, reason number 8, that's our last reason, but a good reason. Buy your home for as little as $2,500 to $5,000. Now, depending on your market, of course, the higher value of the house, the more you're going to need, but it's definitely not going to be as much as what you would need for a traditional conventional loan. Now, most home buyers can pay between $10,000 to $20,000 or even more to cover the down payment, the closing costs, the inspection, the appraisal, the attorney's fees, homeowners insurance, the mortgage insurance, and so on and so forth, right? And in some cases, depending on your situation due to the new laws, you may have to even pay for your real estate agent fees. And that's going to make that number go up. Now, with NACA, your out-of-pocket costs are going to be dramatically lower. And if you qualify for grants, even less. That means more money left for you to buy new furniture, pay for your movers. If you have to break your lease, you may have to pay some fees to do that. Or just have peace of mind, have a little bit of savings left over. And that, my friends, is just the beginning. There are even more benefits to explore. Now, I suggest that you visit www.naca.com, register for a local homebuyer workshop, or you can take the self-paced online course to start your journey towards affordable, stress-free homeownership. Don't forget, because most people forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. I want to see your comments too. Like if you've ever bought a home with NACA, if you're in the process of buying your home, whether with NACA or just buying a house right now, which most people are, in the process of buying a home, whether with NACA or any other program, or you just started looking, thinking about getting out of the renting game and you want to buy your own house, let me know. Let's make your homeownership dream a reality, and let's do it the smart way. And like I always say, I'm Melinda T, and if you stick with me, you'll get those keys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.